See how discolored the lens is? Let's get out in the sun a little bit. Repel mosquito wipes, and you can use either this or even maybe off, and put that on your lens. We're gonna do that right now and see how it works. I've been dying to do this, and my mother just went to the store. She got some of these, and I thought, you know what? It's time to make another video. Okay, this happens to be a little wet wipe. You could, I guess you could spray it on there too. I've never done this before. Wow, look at all this stuff it's gotten off. I thought it was just going to put kind of like an oily film on the surface and not let it dry out, but it almost looks like it's doing its trick. See all that stuff that you got off? I think I might have to use another wet wipe because it's looks like it wants to take some more off. Let's get another one out here and try it. You know what? That looks a lot better. And for those of you who have not seen that video on how to do it this way, that's why I thought I would share this, especially for you. Nice. I don't think it looks like a brand new lens, but I'm going to give that a B+. I can still see a little bit of a haze, and I'm not sure if that's on the inside or the outside. I'm gonna say some of that could be on the inside. There's only going to be so much that you can remove. Doesn't that look a lot better? Yeah, insect repellent might just be the ticket. I guess I better not stop now. Guess I better do this one too. I just washed the car too. And there's only going to be so much you can clean off with your car cleaner and such. But I'd say this does pretty okay. Nice afternoon. That's all I got for this time, but what are we going to talk about next time? You know, I just kind of worked on some of my Motha's drip irrigation, and I just put in a few extra lines. Here was the existing line, and I tapped in and I ran this other tube here, and I put some little bubblers on here, and these are inline bubblers, and I put them all along here. I just planted some other stuff down along there, and I put some bubblers along there, tied it in, did some other troubleshooting and all that. And I think I want to show you how to do that. You know, there's a couple things I've got to do. Now see, here's some more of those plants right there. And there's no water in this area right in here or right here, yet there's some bubblers over here, and here's the main line right there. The main line comes over here and zipsy doodahs back beyond there, and I'm gonna have to dig that up, find out where it is, tap into it, put some little bubbler things on here, and I'm gonna put some in here. And those plants right there are designed to look just like these pink ones here. And see, I just put all those new pink ones over there, and those small ones are gonna get about this big, and they take full sun, and that's what we want because it gets hot here in the summer. Okay, I just happen to have 7 left, and I'm going to take those. Oh, doesn't that look nice? I'm going to take those and I'm going to plant them right over here for my mother. And it's almost Mother's Day, And by the time I edit this, it'll be after Mother's Day, but that's what I'm going to do for her. I'm going to go ahead and put some plants in there, get them nicely watered, and with the irrigation pipes and all that, and I'm going to add some for here. So that's next time. See you then. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos